Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube video using Canva application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you have to install Canva application on your mobile phone. You can get this application from Play Store or Apple Store. And after you have installed this application, you just need to open this application and you have to search for thumbnail. Since once you create thumbnail, just type in thumbnail in this search menu, and the Canva application will provide you a lot of templates for your YouTube thumbnail. And you just need to choose which of the thumbnail you want to use for your YouTube video. You can choose the suitable thumbnail for your video guys, and let's say I want to create thumbnail for my vlog, so I'm gonna select this one. We just need to click on it and we will be able to use this template and just edit this template as you like. You can make it as creative as you can guys. You can change the color, change the text, and it's up to you. Alright guys, and that's how we can make YouTube thumbnail using Canva application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.